Casey Cole, Call Out Motor Repair here. We're out here in Forney today. Had a customer call us earlier this week. He had a dent on his Maserati, good size on the quarter panel. He went into one of the local Forney body shops, and that body shop referred him to us, saying it'd be a good candidate for paintless dent repair. So customer called within 10 minutes, we gave him a quote, had it scheduled. Now we're here today to go ahead and get the dent knocked out for him. All right, so Trey got this dent looking brand new again on the Maserati that we started on earlier this morning. We started around 12. Right now it's roughly 3:30. So this was definitely a faster repair using paintless dent repair. Customer didn't have to leave his house. We came to him, saved a lot of money, saved a lot of time, and it's looking brand new again. So if you guys have anything like this, any kind of door dings, dents, we're a body shop, but we're also paintless dent repair, and we can come to you. So just give us a call, 469-602-5554.